Can we do it?
Hi there, it's Manny with another room tour. Come on in, come on in, come on in, come on in. It's very quiet in this hallway, but welcome to Universal's Terra Luna Resort. Not on Universal property, but welcome to one of Universal's newest hotels. Well, new to us because, you know, we weren't here when it first opened, but we are here now and we're going to enjoy Terra Luna Resort, which is a premium value resort. So it's a step above value. We've stayed at Dockside and Surfside here at Universal. And we love those hotels. We love the resort vibes that they give for the adults. But I gotta say, this room on first look is very impressive. Like, it has high ceilings. I don't know why that excites me. Most hotels are very condensed, which I feel like Dockside and Surfside are a little condensed, but this room it's big. And it was actually cheaper than Dockside and Surfside. So this one is 2 queen beds, as you can see. There's hardwood floors, nice little carpet. You do get a fridge. I have not opened it yet, clearly. Oh, it's hidden behind the magic of Universal. So you do get a fridge. You also get a coffee maker and your standard ice bucket. So, you know, we do have drinks, they're just not in there right now. Adult beverages. And here we have a chest of drawers, or a chester of drawers. I don't know what it's called. If you watch Schitt's Creek, my Rose says, will the chest of drawers not suffice? And I don't know, will it suffice for you? It could. There's 4 pretty good sized ones. I can't remember if Dockside, Surfside, they do have kind of, but I think it's much smaller than this one. What I like about this here is this, a couch. One of the struggles I have with hotels is they don't put somewhere for you to sit a lot of times, and you're usually sitting on your bed, which I'm of the mind you don't sit on your bed when you're dirty. So that's frustrating for me, but they have a nice seating area here with a little table. So if you're ordering food, which you can order food here to your room, or at least the pizzas, but you can order food downstairs, bring it up. This is nice to sit on if you have people over, getting to know somebody new. I don't know. Terra Luna Resort kind of flows with the cosmics of the world. So the hotel kind of has these space-like windows. There's not much to see out there, so I'm not going to show it to you. It's a lot of unmasking the magic here at Universal. But we can kind of see the pool from the side. There is a lot of lighting in this hotel room. Oh yeah, lots of lighting in this room. Lots and lots and lots of light. I don't know, I usually stay at a Marriott and Hilton, probably not the more expensive ones. That's why I'm really enjoying this room and how tall the ceilings are and the lighting. Even I think the backsplash of the bed is kind of cool with the lights and stuff. But anyways, we shall move into the bathroom. Separation of sink, toilet, and shower. That's really good if you have family, you have friends, or you're staying with somebody and you need to, you know, use the facilities. They can still come out here and brush their teeth. Towels here. They supply face soap. This looks really cool. I don't know which. Yeah, turn that light. This looks really cool. I'm a lighting guy. I love lighting in hotels rooms and stuff, and I think this is so cool. It kind of follows that space feel. I won't walk in, but I'll let you walk into the bathroom. It has a door, which if you've watched my other room tours, I love a door on a shower because, you know, if you don't have a door, like some of these hotels do have doors, there's water everywhere. It also comes with shampoo and conditioner, and I believe a bar of soap over there. The bathroom is pretty big too. Somewhat of a rain shower head there too. Yeah, it is a nice bathroom too. I think it's a little bigger than dockside and surfside from when we've stayed. This usually feels a little more tighter. But we are in a premium hotel, premium value, whatever it's called. Something that dockside and surfside do not have is a closet. They just have a little thing with a curtain. So, you know, we hid all our stuff to make this video. Ta-da! But this is a nice hotel closet. It's got your safe, your ironing board, a couple of hangers. I think it's a great size closet for a hotel room. You also get to control your own AC, which is great. I thought this was kind of cool. Like, I feel like it's following like the space theme, but you know, you can also close this for more privacy, or if you know the people you're with, you know, you don't mind being naked or anything around them. They can look at, just playing. But yeah, this is the hotel room. We're gonna show you the rest of the property throughout our stay here. So yeah, we're gonna jump on down to the next thing. Downstairs, we're on the 9th floor, which is the top floor, and I am very, very happy. Have you stayed at Terra Luna Resort before? Let us know. What are your thoughts? Let's go explore the rest of this place. Each floor has 2 ice dispenser machines where you can fill up your ice bucket, and they also have a water bottle refill station, which comes in handy when you're heading out to the parks early in the morning. Welcome to Universal's Terra Luna Resort lobby. I really like this lobby. When you first enter, to the left is the vacation planning center. You can buy tickets, organize dinners. To the right is the check-in desk, and prior to that is the online check-in desk. There you see the Omega Cafe and Market. We'll come back to that. Beyond this wall, you'll also see the Luna Bar. And then there's lots of seating throughout the lobby and outdoor spaces at this hotel. We saw lots of families enjoying dinner in this area. So they've really thought through creating spaces for people in large families. There's also a merch store, so if you're looking to spend your money before you get to the parks, or if you forgot a souvenir. And then there's 6 elevators here in this particular hotel, all located in the same section. Welcome to the Omega Cafe and Market, which is Terra Luna's kind of dining hall. They do have an Avis rental car stand here. Hours vary in terms of operations, but they have cars on site where you can also rent if you are in need of a car. So the dining hall is separated into 2 areas. The market. The market is essentially your grab and go items, or if you're looking for some candy bars, muffins, granola bars, sodas, milk, juice. All these grab and go options are located here. We did see in the morning they would put some hot breakfast items here as well where you can grab. And then later in the evening, they would stock pizzas there that were pre-made that you can grab and go as well, obviously for a price. The market also has ice cream. You can buy coffee. They have big cookies and big muffins. So it's really kind of your sweet section. The cafe is the real dining hall, which they do have a breakfast and dinner menu that they rotate. And then they also operate in specific hours between breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They have freestyle machines. You do have to buy a cup You can do a single cup or you can do a multi-day cup. The food we found to be pretty good. I got the chicken fried rice. And you can choose your own base on this fried rice. And they also have lo mein, which I really want to try. And Sean went basic with pizza. Welcome to the Terra Luna bar. We actually had drinks here one night during our stay at the Terra Luna Resort. It's a cute little vibe. It's kind of hidden by this big wall from the main lobby. This is my attempt of showing you the menu as I flick through all the drinks. So there's a wide selection of different drinks, wines, and beers that you can choose from, and also some handcrafted cocktails. They do open later in the evening, but stay open late. The bar was usually busy every time we walked by, and we definitely enjoyed our drinks. I can't remember what we exactly had, but they were delicious. And if you're looking to keep your fitness routine going on while you're on vacation, Terra Luna Resort has you covered. They have plenty of equipment for a hotel. I think they had some non-traditional machines that you typically wouldn't get in a hotel. They also have the jumping blocks and weighted balls that you can use, and a stepping machine that's so rare to even see in a regular gym, let alone a hotel gym. They also have a free weight section and a press machine, which is also something that's not usually located in a hotel. They also offer free headphones. They're located in a basket in that area of the gym. And then they also have a men's and women's locker room section. They do have showers available as well. And then lockers to store your bag if you needed to store it. It's also available for you. And they also have towels there. And the showers come equipped with body wash and stuff. So it's got you covered so you can get a shower and then continue your day. Welcome to the Terra Luna Resort pool. I love the colors of this hotel when the sun beams on it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. The pool area does also have a beach area, or maybe it's a moon landing area to keep with the theme of the hotel. So plenty of seating, plenty of loungers if you're trying to get your sun tanning going on. So lots of great places to sit. The pool operates from 9 to 11. They also have restrooms located here, and they also have an outdoor bar area with also plenty of seating. One of the things I like about this hotel is over to the right from the bar, there is also a grill that's open for certain hours during the day where you can go there and grab some lunch or bites to eat, and you don't have to go inside the hotel. So I thought that was pretty cool. But the Moonrise Bar is here adjacent to the pool. The pool was pretty decent size, and they also have a hot tub available, which you don't see very much in hotels anymore. But just a beautiful hotel from the outside, as you can see the stars, as they say, gazing through the hotel. Hey there, everybody. We went out and enjoyed the sights and sounds of the hotel. We forgot a few things. Number one, you're probably like, is there enough chargers in this room? Well, here we go. We have USB, USB-C, and regular old-fashioned US ports. This is by the TV, and there's also one by the cama, or the bed. Oh, that's where you turn that off. Okay. So you have a few there. Not as much as the other place. This is also a wireless charger. Unsure if it works. And the verdict is inconclusive. But that is a wireless charger. Also, something we learned after the fact is the TV is actually on a swivel. So if you are on that bed, or if you're sitting on the couch, swivel, swivel, swivel. Why am I holding this? I think I talked about pizza last time, but just in case I forgot, you can get in-room delivery of pizza. Yeah, you scan a little barcode there and do that. We ate at the cafe here. I forgot what it's called. Sean's gonna put in a video, but it was delicious. It was actually good. I think we both rated our meals 7 out of 10, which is pretty good for a theme park food. One other thing is the lights in the bathroom area are motion censored. Motion censored. Actually, I think they just shut off if you walk away from the bathroom for a long time. But anyways, those are the things we have discovered. I don't know how the bed is. We have not slept in the bed yet, but we'll tell you later, I guess. But that'll do it for us on our room tour and our resort tour. Thank you for joining us on the Manny and Sean Experience. Subscribe, like, share, MASXP23. We also have a podcast if you're into that kind of stuff. Make sure you check us out. Check you on the next one.